Here's our house, our bungalow on the beach. There's the kayak rental office. And here we go, out into the beautiful Andaman Sea, with Marta doing all the work, the way it should be. Here's where we had our breakfast. We're going around the tip of this peninsula at Sivalai Beach Resort on Koh Mook, which means Pearl Island. Here we're circling the extreme eastern tip of our island, our peninsula. There's the breakfast place. Now we're going to go up this way toward Mermaid Bay and see what we see. Another big jellyfish. Beautiful live one. Two jellyfish. There's a lot of these. We picked our own private beach to paddle up to. Spend a little time here. Say the only people that would steal our stuff are kleptomaniac kayakers. So we can leave all our stuff and go for a swim if we want to brave the jellyfish with no goggles to see them.
On the ground. Wow, they're huge and they like to get out and walk. Woo! They don't bite you, huh? Or pinch you?
Not much. I don't think they're pinching to attack. You might be pinching for traction a tiny bit.
Wow.
That is the coolest shell I've ever seen.
That is so Now, do they make those or do they grow? They find them.
They occupy.
Why don't you put them on the ground and I'll take pictures of them.